In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Squarespace site title. Whether you're rebranding or simply updating your site information, changing your site title can have a significant impact on how visitors perceive your site. Let's go through this process step by step to ensure you feel comfortable making these changes. First, we need to access your Squarespace dashboard. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your account. Your Squarespace dashboard is your home base. It's where you can manage all aspects of your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of the websites associated with your account. If you manage multiple sites, ensure you select the correct one you wish to edit. This is important so that any changes you make are applied to the right website. After you've selected your website, head over and click on the website itself. This will take you into the main editing interface where you can make changes to various elements of your site. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu on the side and click on Pages. This section shows the various pages that make up your site. From here, simply click on the specific page you intend to work on. Now look to the top left corner of the interface where you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and press that. This mode will allow you to make all the necessary changes you need. Now that you're in editing mode, the next step is to focus on your site header. Find the option that says Edit Site Header and click on it. This is where you can find various header elements, which include your site title. Locate your site title in the top left of this section, and when you click on it, you'll see an option to edit. Go ahead and make any changes you'd like to the site title. You can update it to better represent your brand or to ensure it aligns with the latest updates on your site. Once you're all done making those changes, you need to make sure they are saved. Head back up to the top left corner of the screen and press the Save button. By doing this, you're ensuring that your adjustments are applied and your site showcases the new title effectively. That's it! Hopefully, this guide has made the process of editing your Squarespace site title a lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and feel free to come back anytime you need more tips on managing your Squarespace site.